Hello everyone. Mm, Today I want to share my stories about unforgettable moment in the past. Yes, this is my story. Check it out. One month ago, my friend and I went for a walk together. Where actually we didn't plan an itinerary. We planned it spontaneously. Wow, and tomorrow is gone. My friend and I met at the bend and bus stop and went together. We went to do fun and played a lot of food. Our first game was co-ed. We can say in Bahasa INGGRIS. Uh, and it was very annoying, but it's very fun. After that, we played Hysteria, and I started to feel dizzy because the game was intense. While playing Hysteria, I gave up on the extreme ride because I suddenly felt dizzy. After that, we decided to eat together, but I had no appetite at the time. After I felt better, we chose to participate in road that wouldn't make my body sick and dizzy. Then we played rough roads and got wet again. And finally, we went home and rested. Yeah, I just tell you my story about a forgettable moment in the past. So, thank you. Bye bye.